Hi, it's Tasha from WTI.
This Makita circular saw has been a lifesaver for us getting projects done around the house. It's enough for me and my husband both to use it. It's lightweight and small, but at the same time strong and sturdy, and I feel really comfortable using it. I don't feel a lot of vibration while cutting, which makes it also a lot more comfortable to use. Because it's cordless, I feel more comfortable using it, not worrying if I'm going to be cutting an electrical cord or having an electrical cord get in my way. It makes really perfect, precise cuts and also is very strong and very practical for all of our woodworking jobs. It also works with all of our Makita batteries, which makes it so helpful when using these tools. This circular saw is a must for anyone who likes to do projects around the house.
So that's my point of view.